What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to create a Pixabay account. The first step is to go on Google and search for Pixabay, so let's do that. Good, now click on the first Google search that shows up. And this is the site. By the way, for anybody that doesn't know, this site is used for YouTube videos, or maybe you want to create a video for someone. You can use videos and images, and they're all for free. So now that you know what you can do with this, let's move on to creating our account. At the top you have a couple of options. Here you have login and join. Click on join. Good, now create your username. Okay, now fill in your email. Great, now create your password. And by the way, as you can see here, the password must have at least 8 characters, include a number, at least one uppercase letter, include a symbol. So make sure you have all of that in your password. Good, now once that is done, click on join. And they're gonna send you a verification email. All you have to do is click on the link that they send you on your email address, and your account will be automatically created. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.